Businesses have more data than ever, but decisions still depend on human judgment about what results actually mean. This certificate focuses on interpreting statistical output for real business choices, not on doing calculations. We will connect descriptive statistics and probability theory to everyday decisions about costs, revenues, pricing, advertising, and marketing. Many people picture data work as a calculator. Enter numbers, receive the right answer. In business analytics, the bigger risk is not computation. It is misunderstanding the output and acting on the wrong story. The goal is to become the kind of decision maker who can read results, spot nuance, and choose actions that fit business reality. Data literacy is a practical requirement for anyone making decisions for a business, whether it is your own or someone else's. It means you can interpret what results say, what they don't say, and what could change the conclusion. When you understand nuance, you can better predict how adjustments in pricing, costs, or marketing methods may affect future performance. Statistics is commonly defined as the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of numerical data. Within that, descriptive statistics helps you understand what is happening in the data you already have, such as patterns and variation. Inferential statistics helps you analyze and interpret collected data to draw conclusions and support more accurate forecasting. In business decisions, these two branches work together, moving from understanding the present to preparing for the future. This certificate focuses on the descriptive branch and establishes a foundation for interpreting business data. Descriptive statistics is your starting point for sense-making. You use it to describe data in numerical terms through measures of central tendency and variability. Then communicate those findings through tables and graphs. The business value is clarity. You can quickly see what looks typical, what looks unusual, and where performance differs across periods, products, or campaigns. This sets the stage for decisions that are grounded in what the data is already showing. Numbers do not exist independently of how they are collected. Sample size, selection method, and unusual observations all influence results. Recognizing these factors prevents conclusions that exceed what the data actually supports. After you can describe data and draw initial conclusions, probability provides the bridge to uncertainty. Business decisions are rarely made with perfect information, so thinking in likelihoods helps you assess risk and avoid overconfidence. This is especially relevant when choices affect costs, revenues, pricing structures, advertising strategies, and marketing methods. The outcome is not certainty, but stronger decision discipline when the future is not guaranteed. Ready-to-use software can translate data into usable information, but it cannot ensure the decision maker understands the meaning. A major gap appears when people accept output at face value without interpretation. Even when learning from simple examples with limited sample sizes, the purpose is to build the habit of asking what the result implies for the business. Tools can speed calculations, but the decision quality comes from the person reading the results. This certificate introduces core statistical concepts, research methods, types of data, and probability thinking. The emphasis remains practical. Understand the concept, examine how it appears in reports or dashboards, and apply it responsibly in business contexts. Business analytics succeeds when decision-makers can translate statistical output into sensible action. Use descriptive statistics to understand what is happening now. Then use critical thinking to guide future choices under uncertainty. Keep data literacy as the standard. Question what the output means, what it assumes, and how changes could alter outcomes. If you do that consistently, statistics becomes a practical decision tool rather than a confusing set of numbers.